Hello guys, in this video we will find the solution for the PSQL error connection to server at localhost port number 5432 failed, fatal, role is not permitted to login. This is the error I received when I tried to connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. Okay, why we have received this error is simple reason is this user is marked as cannot login. Let us verify by going to pgadmin or PSQL cell with the user which is having connection permissions. See here I have the user Tim. Right click properties. See in privileges. See it is turned off, which means cannot login. Or go to the shell, then run /du. See this Tim user cannot login. To avoid that error, we have to make this user as login. So command is alter user, then Tim, just give login. Put semicolon. This is the alter user command. Or go to pgadmin, right click on the user, properties, then go to privileges, then you have to select this enable. Then if you go to this SQL, see you got the same SQL command. Here I have given user, but here it has taken role. Okay, so we have to click on save or go to here and hit enter. Now close this one. Now go to properties, then go to privileges. See here, now it is turned on. Okay, now try to connect to PSQL shell with the user Tim. Open the PSQL client or just right click on servers, register, then server, then Tim connection, then go to connection tab. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, just give localhost. If it is on some other, then you have to give IP or postname details. Then maintenance data of this one, username is Tim, then provide the password of this Tim user. Then click on save. See, this time we are able to connect. This is the way. Even if you go to PSQL shell, SQL shell, postname, username is Tim, then provide the password of this Tim user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in with the user Tim. So we have find the solution for the PSQL user not permitted error. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.